Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some delicious sauces that you can use to make even your most boring, plain food taste delicious, add some color, variety, even more nutrition, of course. So if you're new to eating vegan, or if you ever just feel like you need to shake it up somehow, these sauces will definitely help you get there. They're all super easy to make, they're delicious, and they can be used on anything. And I'll show you how you can use them throughout the video as well, give you some more tips and ideas. This video is sponsored by Califia. I'm sure you guys know Califia if you've ever shopped at a grocery store and bought a non-dairy milk. They have non-dairy milks, they have creamers, they have all sorts of stuff, but they also now have a drinkable yogurt. So we're gonna be using that drinkable yogurt in one of our recipes today. It's super delicious, so let's hurry up and get started because I can't wait to share this with you. First off, we're going to make a creamy, tangy almond butter sauce. Start by mincing some garlic and fresh ginger. And prepare your limes by cutting them in half. Place almond butter or peanut butter in a saucepan with water. Then add soy sauce, maple syrup, the minced ginger and garlic, and the juice of those 2 limes. Stir it a little and then bring it to a simmer on medium heat. Continue to stir to help the almond butter soften and the ingredients combine. Cook on a low simmer for about 10 minutes. It should reduce and thicken as it cooks. I love using this Thai-inspired sauce in stir fries. After you've cooked your veggies, pour the sauce over them and serve with rice or noodles. Top with lime and fresh chopped tomato. So I told you guys we're going to be using the Califia new drinkable yogurt. It comes in different flavors, fruity, yummy flavors, but we are going to be using the plain one today. I tend to use plain unsweetened things anyway when I'm cooking or baking. You can obviously use something like this if you're making a smoothie, which I've done, or you can use it in your cereal. But today we are going to be using this for something savory. We're going to be making a tzatziki sauce. I'm going to show you guys how you can use it over my sweet potato falafel. This sauce is so easy to make. Besides our Califia dairy-free yogurt, we're going to be using just a few other ingredients. Start by shredding a whole cucumber. Since it's so wet, now we need to squeeze out the water. Transfer it to a paper towel and squeeze until all the cuke juice is out. Minced dill, my favorite herb, and now we'll mix it all together. In a bowl, combine the yogurt, shredded cucumber, dill, lemon juice, and shaved or minced garlic. Season with salt and stir that up. And that's it, no cooking involved. Serve with sweet potato falafel. Click the link for this falafel recipe too. You can also serve this tzatziki on sandwiches, a vegan gyro, on tacos, and salads with grains, or as a dip. It's even better on day 2 and 3, by the way. Okay. Wow, this smells really, really good. Oh, I could just eat it right out of here, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna put it on my sweet potato falafel. Yum. So if you're a cucumber fan and a yogurt fan and a dill fan like me, this is obviously your new go-to sauce. So good. A little bit more. Okay, this is really good, wow. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our very last delicious sauce. Now we're making a super savory nutritional yeast dressing. My dad makes this all the time for salads, but you can also use it on anything else. Nutritional yeast has a cheesy, nutty flavor, and it's high in B vitamins and protein. In a jar, combine liquid aminos, apple cider vinegar, a lot of nutritional yeast, minced garlic, and olive oil. Shake it until it's creamy. Like I said, this is great as a salad dressing, but it's super versatile. Try it over steamed veggies, grains, or beans. Alright guys, make sure you add all 3 of these sauces to your weekly meal prep routine. I promise it will really make eating so much easier. You can put all of these on your grains or your steamed vegetables or your salads or your noodles or anything. When you don't have like a lot of pre-prepared things in the refrigerator, having sauces helps you prepare something and make it delicious in no time. So make sure you give all of them a try, and also let me know which one you liked best. Leave it in the comment section below. Also, if you have any sauces that you really like and you highly recommend, share those with us down there too. And thank you to Califia for sponsoring this video. I really like this new yogurt. I love it, especially in that tzatziki, however you say it, and also in smoothies. So I'm gonna be having this a little bit more often. So give it a try, guys. Make sure you pick it up. You can find it like at all the grocery stores, of course. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.